When the 4WD light is on and your Nissan Navara D40 won't start, it could be due to several issues. Here are some common causes and steps to troubleshoot. Check the transfer case switches. The 4WD system relies on several switches in the transfer case. If any of these switches are faulty, it can cause the 4WD light to stay on and prevent the vehicle from starting. 1. Inspect the ABS sensors. The 4WD system also uses signals from the ABS sensors on each hub. Broken or corroded sensor wires can cause issues too. Examine the Gearbox ECU. A faulty gearbox ECU can lead to the 4WD light staying on and starting issues. This unit is located in the cabin near the clutch too. Check for electrical issues. Loose or corroded electrical connections can also cause the 4WD light to stay on. Inspect the wiring loom to the transfer case and ensure there are no breaks or chafing. Diagnostic steps. Warm up the engine and turn it off. Turn the ignition switch on and off at least twice, then turn it off. Ensure the vehicle is in neutral. Turn the 4WD shift switch to the 2WD on position. Turn the ignition switch on without starting the engine. Follow the sequence of shifting the 4WD switch and moving the gear lever as described in the manual. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be best to consult a professional mechanic or visit a Nissan service center for a thorough diagnosis. If you need more detailed guidance or have any other questions, feel free to ask.